Imagine knowing exactly where your money went every month. No surprises, no stress. Wouldn't that be awesome? What if I told you that learning one simple skill could help you build wealth, avoid debt, and take control of your future? That's what the concept of personal finance does for you. So in this video, you'll learn what personal finance really means, why it matters for your everyday life, and how you can start mastering it right now. By the end, you won't just know what personal finance is, you'll know how it can change the way you live and plan for your future. So let's start off with what personal finance really is. So essentially, personal finance is all about how you manage your money. This includes earning, saving, spending, investing, and protecting everything. It's not just a rich people thing. In my humble opinion, it's for everybody who wants freedom and options in their own lives. So why should you care about something that sounds so adult? Let's talk about it. Why does personal finance matter? This affects whether or not you can afford an emergency, buy a car, own a home, or retire comfortably. It impacts your stress levels, which I can vouch for personally, your choices, and even your relationships. So let's take an example. Two people make the same income. One struggles, but the other thrives. The difference is how they manage their personal finances. So how can you actually take control of it without being a math genius or anything like that? Let's break it down. So first, let's talk about the basics of managing your money. The first step is to budget your money. Essentially, you just need to know what comes in and what goes out. The second step is to save consistently. Even small amounts can grow over time. Step 3 is to build credit and avoid debt traps. This sets you up for bigger goals. Buy now, pay later is one of those debt traps, and if you want to see more, I have a video on this already on my channel. The fourth step is to invest early. Time is your biggest factor. Let your money work for you, not the other way around. But what happens if you ignore your personal finances? The answer might surprise you. Without personal finance skills, people often live paycheck to paycheck, fall into debt, or miss opportunities to grow wealth. This is something that a majority of Americans struggle with. Think about someone who earns a good salary, but still can't cover an emergency. Bad planning keeps them stuck. So how do you actually build good habits to avoid all of this? Here's how. Tips, tricks, and mindset shifts. So a tip is to track your spending for 30 days. You'll be surprised where your money really goes. This is at the core of understanding what comes in and what goes out. The trick for this is to use the pay yourself first rule, where it's you automatically save before you spend. This can be done through automatic recurring deposits and automatic withdrawals into investments, stuff like that. Pay yourself first. The mindset for this is that personal finance is not about making millions today. It's about building freedom step by step. So, do you want the fastest tip to start improving today? Here it is. It's to start today. Don't start tomorrow. Don't start when you get a new job. Don't start whenever it is. Start now. The sooner you start, the better you'll be for the future. Basically, now you know what personal finance is and why it's so important. It's essentially the foundation for financial freedom. You want to start with small steps today. Make a budget, save $10, track your spending. Every one of these actions will help you build momentum and achieve your goals. If you want to go even deeper into this, check out my video where I talk about how to pay off debt fast and getting rid of your credit card debt, which can help you save even more money. Share in the comments what's one financial goal you want to achieve this year.